guys, welcome to my video. I'm just gonna say this is an announcement that can I please hit 20 million subscribers and just 1.1 million 1.1 million followers on TikTok, and I would love to hit 20 million subscribers on YouTube. And please subscribe me on YouTube and follow me. Please, it's just my dream to be a YouTuber. And if a pro YouTuber is watching this, or a pro TikToker, please show me some things so I can be a YouTuber and a TikToker at the same time. But I don't want to learn about TikTok too much. I just want to be a YouTuber. That's all, guys. So thank you so much. And by the way, this is my little sister that she is on my, I don't know,